Galilean transformation for free space and time. These transformations are used to transform the coordinates of position and time from one inertial frame to the other. Let us begin by considering the physical event. An event is something that happens independently from the frame of reference. Now let us consider two frames of reference, S reference and S1 reference. S reference being at rest and S1 reference moving with a constant velocity v with respect to S reference. Now consider two observers O and O1 and an event P. The observer O resolves into three components: x in x direction, y in y direction, and z in z direction. O1 also resolved into three components: x1 in x direction, y1 in y direction, and z1 in z direction. The distance between the event to the S reference, let x. As the S1 frame of reference moves with a constant velocity v, it covers a distance of vt in the time interval t. So, the distance between two frames of reference is vt. Let the distance of the event from the S1 reference is x1. If the event is happening at P at any particular time and the observations are taken by both of the observers, we can write x1 equal to x minus vt, y1 equal to y, z1 equal to z, and t1 equal to t. Here t1 equal to t because time is absolute as per classical mechanics. Let us consider two frames of reference, S reference and S1 reference. The observer of S reference resolved into three components: x in x direction, y in y direction, and z in z direction. The observer in S1 reference also resolved into three components: x1 in x direction, y1 in y direction, and z1 in z direction. Let P be an event. The distance between the two references in z direction is bzt and that of in x direction is bxt, and similarly in y direction it is vyt. The distance of the event P1 from the frame of S1 is x1. So we can write x1 equal to x minus bxt, y1 equal to y minus byt, z1 equal to z minus bzt, and t1 equal to t. Consider the same situation. The observer O of the S frame resolved into three components: x in x direction, y in y direction, and z in z direction. And the observer in S1 frame also resolved into three components: x1 into x direction, y1 in y direction, and z1 in z direction. And P be the event. Draw the position vector OP, OO1 and O1P. Represented this as in vector form. O1 represented as Vt, OP represented as R vector, and O1P represented as R1 vector. From triangle OO1P, we have Vt plus RL, R1 equal to R minus Vt and T1 equal to T.